High above the Columbia River Gorge, a circle of stone stands against the wind, a full-scale replica of England's ancient Stonehenge. This remarkable monument isn't thousands of years old. It was built in 1918 by Pacific Northwest visionary Sam Hill as a memorial to local soldiers who gave their lives in World War I. Hill modeled the structure precisely after England's original Stonehenge, believing that its ancient altar once served as a site for human sacrifice, a powerful symbol, he thought, for the cost of war. Unlike the ruins at Salisbury Plain, this version is complete. Each concrete block was cast and placed to recreate the alignment of the midsummer sunrise. It was America's first monument dedicated to soldiers of the Great War, overlooking the same rugged Columbia River that powered the early dreams of the Pacific Northwest. Sam Hill built it here on his estate above Maryhill, a place he hoped would inspire peace through understanding. The site captures both art and engineering. Every column and lintel was positioned by hand in the late 1910s, poured from local concrete and reinforced with steel, a modern echo of ancient craftsmanship. Stepping into the circle, the wind quiets. The design aligns with the sun just as the prehistoric builders in Britain once intended, linking science, art, and remembrance. Around the outer wall, bronze plaques name every fallen service member from Klickitat County. Sam Hill believed that memorials should name the individual, not just the war, so that every visitor remembers a real person. Today, the site is part of the Maryhill Museum of Art complex, open year-round and free to the public. It serves as both a place of reflection and an educational landmark. From the air, the symmetry is striking. A perfect circle measuring roughly 95 feet across, aligned to the solstice. The wind and the sunlight bring it to life as the shadows move. Hill's dream was to remind future generations that peace must be built, not merely hoped for. Over a century later, this memorial still stands firm above the Columbia River, a silent promise cast in stone. To this day, the Maryhill Stonehenge remains one of the most unusual and meaningful monuments in the United States, where ancient design meets modern memory. From the team at Stars Adventure Freedom, thank you for joining us on this journey through history.